GPA method, which has been used for almost an age in SSC result, is changing in the new curriculum from 2026. Overall evaluation will be out of total 7 points in 3 categories. This method will be in effect from the SSC exam of 2026. In the new system, the result will be determined in the summative evaluation, out of which 65% will be written and 35% will be skill assessment. Total points will be 7, and according to NCTB, in this new system, the merit and the weakness of the students will be mentioned in detail in the result card. The National Curriculum and the Textbook Board has said that this new system will be the correct assessment for the students, and as experts says that extensive training and preparation is needed to adapt to sudden big changes, and GPA system has been introduced since 2001 for SSC and equivalent exam results.
নগদে 500 টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।